Riri atumia mathiete nambere na kuyukiturwa ngurani uteti-ini, atumia matiganite honge-ini cia utongoria nimagomanire guku bururi-ini, muoroto munene uri kwaririria na guthomithio itemi ria atumia utongoria-ini na uthii wa nambere wa bururi. Akiria kiungano-ini giki kia atumia kiria gitafanitio mwena wa giciwa-ini, janji wa igoti ikaru Njoki Ndung'u uria ukoretwo na igweta kumana na murugamo wake murumu igoti-ini ikaru ni uritie atumia othe mathii nambere na gucagura atumia niguo maigihe na mahote gutungatira atumia wabici-ini cia muingi.
For space and relevance. What has happened to us is that sometimes we compete against each other. And when we compete against each other for a very small space. So instead of expanding our space, which is occupied by a lot of men, we fight for the space which is already occupied by women. So we want the position that is already occupied by another woman. We don't want another position which is occupied by a man. So we have to also be very conscious. It doesn't help us and it doesn't increase our space if we are only replacing each other.
Oho Njoki ni oririe atumia meikire hinya riria maundu matari mega mamegie meyumiria, akiuga maundu macio makoragwo mari ma kumekira hinya wa kuruirira ihoto na mieke yao hari uthii wa nambere.
Well, it just goes back to the issue of truth, the issue of courage, the issue of resilience, the issue of do you believe in yourself? All these other things, they just fall away. They just fall away. If they are not true, believe in yourself and they just fall away. But just know that they are people who do that. That your success sometimes hurts them. That your success sometimes irks them. That your success and your intelligence and your beauty disturbs them.
Ona kuri oguo Njoki ni akomithitie ciiko cia atumia kunyamario kimwiri mawabici-ini maria marutagira wira kuria oririe atumia merutire hari kwiyumiria na kuhurana na ciiko ta icio riria ciahanika.
This is a serious problem for us women in Kenya and we have to learn how to deal with it somehow. I have no immediate solutions. What has been done is that there is a legal framework. But is the law enough if you don't implement as leaders? That's my challenge to you. All of you women in management, do something about this problem.
Ona kuri oguo atumia ni moririo mahemberia urimi niguo kuhurana na ng'aragu iri gumagira bururi ihinda kwa ihinda.
If we had women in serious positions in agriculture, they would influence the decision regarding how we invest in agriculture, how we grow more food.
Kiungano giki gia thikũ ithatu kirehete hamwe atumia atongoria kuma mabururi matiganite iri njira ya kumathomithia uria mangihota gukorwo magikuruhanio hari waki wa bururi.
Do we agree?
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Kamau.
What we need is